Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of December, which I'm super excited about. I will be making 25 days of recipes, and also I'm gonna do mini vlogs of me showing you guys, taking you with me to the stores where I buy all the ingredients, and just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to find them at the stores. And then also, these recipes are typical recipes that we eat during Noche Buena, which that's the day that we celebrate. I'm super excited. It just brings me so many memories of when I was little. And so I am happy to share those memories with you. And today I will be making a ponche. So it's so delicious, it's warm, especially for this weather. So stay tuned so you can see the recipe. Okay, so here are the ingredients. I have guayaba here, green apples, sugar cone, tamarind, jamaica flowers, sugar cane, and I have here 2 of the cinnamon sticks. These are called tejocotes. I don't know if I'm saying it right. And then here I have some raisins. And then these are called anise. These are just for flavor. Like, this will give it a lot of flavor. So these are the ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so this is a 8-quart pot. Actually, yeah, it is a 8-quart. And I did fill it up all the way to 6 quarts. And to that we are gonna throw in our piloncillo sugar cone, our 2 cinnamon sticks, and our little stars. I will call it little stars. And then we're gonna let it boil, and then everything will dissolve. Also, I will be throwing in our jamaica flowers in a bit. We just wanted to give it a little bit more flavor with the sugar cone. And then after that, we'll just start adding everything little by little. Okay, so here are my tamarinds. I do peel them. You have to take this off. I mean, not all the way, if whatever you can. And then after this, we're gonna put the jamaica flowers in the water and this together. As you guys can see, it's not coming off all the way, but I mean, whatever you can is fine. So as you guys can see, the sugar cone is already dissolved. So now we're gonna put our hibiscus water in, our tamarind, and then we're just gonna let it boil for another about like 5 minutes, and then we'll start throwing all the fruit in there. Okay, so here I have my guayaba, and all I have to do is just cut the side, and then I will cut it in 4 pieces. Right here, you cut the end. They also have a seed inside, but it's not that much of a big deal for these. So that's all you do. And then continue the process. Okay, so this is how I cut all my fruit. The apples, I did take the seeds out and then just cut it in little squares. And also the sugar cane. I wish I had the fresh one instead of the one that they already cut, because it tastes much more better. But this is fine. And then now we are just gonna add all the ingredients. I wish you guys were here just to smell how amazing it smells. And then we're just gonna add everything in. Be careful because it's super hot. Okay, and then you're just gonna let everything boil. Okay, so our punch is ready to taste. Guys, so my punch is ready to taste. Oh my god, so delicious. It brings me back memories of when my mom used to make it. It's super, super delicious. Hey guys, that's it for this recipe. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope that you guys try it. It's super delicious. I mean, I can't explain or express it enough how delicious it is. But once again, I'm super, super excited that we are in the month of December. So stay tuned for all the recipes and a mix of vlogs and recipes that I will be having for you guys. But thanks again, and I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel, like it, and turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video.